Okay. So, how to know what to post about online, part 2. So I'm Richard Dawson, my digital marketing coach. This is my weekly digital marketing update. So last week we talked about types of posts that you could use for ideas about what to post online. In part 2, I wanted to cover another type of posts that you could use as well, which would also help you give you some ideas to post online. And these are known as third-party content posts. So this is where you see an article in the news, in another online source. You post a link to that article with your commentary on that particular topic in terms of the relevance to your expertise. And this is great because it's a good way of showcasing your expertise and your credibility. Generally recommend they should be used quite sparingly. The key question I get from a lot of clients is, what are the best sources of information to find these sorts of news posts? The first and most obvious one is Google News. So set up some Google News alerts for your keywords for the subjects that you want to post about. The second of these, I've mentioned this platform before, is Quora. The third is Reddit. Mentioned that before as well. And finally, very, very good source of news indeed is Twitter. Great for breaking news, great for in-depth news content as well. So a really good place to look as well. So that's third-party content posts, another type of post that will really help you find things to post about online. If you want to get good at digital, you want some one-to-one mentoring for you and or your team, get in touch with me in the usual ways on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Of course, you can also find me on my website, Cheshire Digital Marketing. Really appreciate you watching all the way through to the end of the video, and I'll see you soon.